So, kain tayo guys. Ito yung ginawa kong tokwa. Pagkatapos natin yung content, syempre kakain tayo at titikman natin to. So, tikman natin. Napaka-healthy nito. Perfect ito sa mahal na araw. Masarap. Masarap siya. Perfect for rice. Delicious and very healthy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye, guys. Thank you.